Everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to be talking about how the setState is killing your Flutter application. Dive in. We're building a very simple application, which is a counter app. So in this application, we have in the on-press, we have the counter plus plus. This will not update the state of the application. Put a setState for it to be able to update whenever the button is being clicked on. So we're going to change this to a stateful widget. When you are building a small application, you can actually use a setState to actually update the state, which is fine. So in this particular tutorial, we are going to be working on provider. So we're using provider at the moment. So what we are going to do is that we're going to install our provider, and once we install our provider, our ChangeNotifier, putting our provider. This is our counter provider class. So in this place, we are going to extend our ChangeNotifier, notify listener. This one will trigger the event to notify the listener whenever the button is being clicked, so that the app can be built to access. So we'll be able to access our function inside our class, our counter provider class, in this place where the counter is being updated. Remember, we're going to use our stateless widget. We don't need to use our stateful widget since we're not using a set state. So thank you.